Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Zoom app verification code not received issue on your iPhone or your Android phone. First of all, make sure that your internet connection is working properly. If you're using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. A weak or unstable connection can stop the verification code from being delivered. Next, check that you have entered the correct number or email address. Even a small mistake can prevent the code from arriving. If the app sends the code through email, go ahead and make sure to check your Gmail app's spam or trash folder. Sometimes the messages also get filtered over there mistakenly. Then restart your phone and try requesting the verification code again. You can also turn airplane mode on for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. This refreshes your network connection and often fixes delayed SMS problems. After that, make sure your phone number is able to receive text messages. Some users accidentally block unknown numbers or disable SMS permissions, so you should also remove any VPN connection because VPNs can sometimes interfere with verification systems. If the code is still not arriving, wait a few minutes before trying again. Requesting too many codes in a short time may temporarily block the new verification attempts. If available, try using the call verification option instead of SMS. You should also head over to your App Store or your Play Store and then search for the Zoom app and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version from the App Store or your Play Store, as outdated versions sometimes cause login or verification problems. Finally, if none of these methods work, contact the Zoom app support directly and report the issue with your account or phone number. That's how you fix verification code not received on the Zoom app. Subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials.